Ever dreamed of managing your business finances from anywhere in the world? With the rise of fintech companies, that dream is becoming a reality. But with so many options popping up, it's easy to get confused. Today, we're diving deep into Airwallex, a popular name in the business finance world. You might be wondering, is Airwallex a full-fledged UK bank offering all the bells and whistles? Well, buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. The allure of global finance. Imagine this: you run a thriving online business selling handcrafted jewelry to customers worldwide. You need a way to accept payments in different currencies, send secure international transfers, and maybe even issue virtual cards for your team's overseas travel. Traditional banks can be clunky and expensive for these tasks. Enter fintech companies like Airwallex. They offer a suite of financial services designed specifically for businesses like yours, streamlined, tech-driven, and often with a global reach. Airwallex, the lowdown. Airwallex isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It operates under a license called an Electronic Money Institution, EMI, authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This means they can hold your money, but they don't offer the full range of services a bank does, like issuing loans or creating checks. So, what can Airwallex do for you? Here's a breakdown. Multi-currency accounts hold and manage funds in various currencies, simplifying international transactions. Competitive foreign exchange rates save money on currency conversions compared to traditional banks. International payments send and receive payments globally with fast processing times. Payment collection integrate Airwallex with your online store to accept payments from customers worldwide. Virtual cards issue virtual cards for secure online payments or employee expense management. The advantage of fintech. Airwallex and other fintech companies like it often cater specifically to businesses. This translates to features and functionalities designed with your needs in mind. Here are some potential advantages. Tech-savvy platform. Manage your finances online with user-friendly interfaces and mobile apps. Faster processing times. Experience quicker transactions compared to traditional banks. Cost-effective solutions. Competitive fees and transparent pricing structures can save your business money. Focus on international transactions, seamless handling of global payments and currency conversions. Not a replacement, but a partner. It's important to remember that Airwallex isn't a replacement for a traditional bank account. They can't offer services like check deposits or safety deposit boxes. However, for businesses with international operations or a need for streamlined online financial management, Airwallex can be a powerful partner. Making the right choice. So, should you ditch your bank and switch to Airwallex completely? Not necessarily. The best approach might involve using both. Keep your traditional bank account for everyday business needs like payroll and local payments. Then, leverage Airwallex for its strengths: international transactions, multi-currency management, and cost-effective solutions. Final thoughts. Airwallex isn't a UK bank in the strictest sense, but it offers a valuable suite of financial services for businesses with a global reach. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, you can decide if Airwallex can be a valuable partner in streamlining your international business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.